Ooh, welcome back to the vlog, guys. So, I know I haven't posted in a huge, well, maybe just a month, but you know, Christmas, New Year's, wasn't really even doing anything too exciting, so didn't have any content to record. But now, what we're gonna be doing is actually gonna be removing the wings on the Genesis. Yo, welcome back to the vlog, guys. So actually on my way, this is gonna be a vlog that's kind of back to what I used to do when I actually used to just vlog like normally. So today I'm on my way to go pick up my friend Juan. Actually gonna go to what is it? Like, it's an arcade. It's a really sick arcade. It has bowling, has pool tables, karaoke, all that good stuff. So I'm actually on my way right now. I know I haven't recorded in a while, so I thought I'd get you guys some content. So I'll bring you guys along. Alright, so like I said, on my way right now to get my friend Juan. I'm gonna pick him up. It's just gonna be us two today, basically. Then maybe later, probably, I kind of have something planned with my friend Michael. Well, I'll save that for surprise, just in case we do actually do it. So I apologize that I haven't been vlogging. A lot of things came up. I'm moving soon, so that's one of the big things. It was Christmas time, New Year's time. Not a whole lot of time that I had. I was working a lot, mostly 6 days a week. So let's hope that we can make this vlog kind of cool. So I'll see you guys soon. So I'm here. Really don't want to scoot up because this guy's got fucked up speed bumps everywhere. So the less speed bumps I have to go over, the better. Just want to let you guys know, he looks like DJ Khaled, right? Like a young DJ Khaled. Oh, I think that's him coming out of that garage. There he is. Juancho! Get in, baby. What's up, Juan?
How you doing?
What's up, Juan?
What are you doing?
I'm a vlog.
You been vlogging?
Yeah. Juan's never been in the vlog before.
What's up, guys?
Check in.
Try this one first.
You suck! Woohoo! Whopping 5 tickets.
Good, dude. I don't want to wait anymore. I don't want to break it.
Alright, it's on.
Michael's gonna try the hot shot.
One thing you guys don't know, I used to play for the NBA. Then I ate this fucking fruit and I shrunk and they fucking kicked me off.
That's not true, but okay.
I used to be 6'5", bitch.
What are you now, like 5 feet? Jesus. Oh shit!
It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me. So I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. I'm shutting shit down and
Cross me over. Oh my god, you got one. Oh, that was an air ball? Oh my god, dude. They said you're NBA. Oh my god, the first one was a fluke shot. Oh my god. This is all going in the vlog, bro. Oh my god, it's like, you worse than Shaq. Oh my god. I'll show you a real basketball player playing. I could have been in the NBA, but I chose not to.
Why?
Go to school. I want to get a good education.
What were you gonna be, the ball?
Hold up.
You suck! Oh! You suck! play and hold it, Juan. Fuck it, I'll play with one hand. I'm using my feet, bro. Look. Oh shit, I missed. Hey, get the left side. What the fuck? Oh no! Motherfucker got eaten. Oh, he got eaten again.
There we go. Oh,
Shoot that shit.
There we go.
Chill out, homie.
I ain't taking no chance. Ah! Oh, that hurt. Why don't you have a gun?
Unload, Kevin, unload.
Ah! Oh my God, it's not time to trip.
I thought you shot her ass. Oh, 3D action, bro. Oh, fuck you. Leave my homie alone.
Oh my God.
You suck.
I was fucking killing them all. I had more kills than you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Round one.
Round one. Hey, you guys are like similar.
Know, right?
You're
Shut the fuck
You're
up.
Juan.
Hey, shut the fuck up. That's not even funny.
You're Juan
I
Round.
lost 50 pounds. Don't even say that shit, dog. John's fucking round.
Hey, look, Juan, I took off the wing.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Why'd you take it off? You didn't want it?
I'm gonna go the different route.
I like it without it.
Look it, bro.
Fuck. Those.
Look at this shit cracked. Look at the top ones. When I pulled it off, it cracked.
It's in this like plastic stuff.
Oh, I put that in there just so like when it rains, it wouldn't fucking go in my hood or inside my trunk.
Yeah.
Yo, so back home now. I actually don't know how much I recorded at round one. I guess I didn't plan it out before I went. It was very loud in there, so I actually don't know if you were able to hear me. But I hope I got some actual useful content that I could actually post up. Mainly just wanted to post a video just letting you guys know that I'm still here. Still got the channel going. I'm hoping 2018 is going to bring a lot more. Actually, it is going to bring a lot more content. So 2018, I already have it set. I'm going to start making more content for you guys. Don't even worry about it. Going to order more parts. Hoping actually to get a new car this year. Probably a project car or something like that. So if you guys have any ideas on what I should get, go ahead and leave comment below. So thank you guys so much for watching today. Hope you guys have an awesome year this year, and peace out. Fuck are you looking at? What are you looking at? I'll kill your ass, group.